Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. It might sound a little echoey in here, but that's fine. I just wanted to share with you guys how I take off my makeup. So let's just get into it. It's self-explanatory, you know, kind of get unready with me, if you will. So first and foremost, we're gonna put our hair up because this is unacceptable. Right after, I just take off my earrings. These earrings are from Shop That's where I get all my earrings now. That and Claire's. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my lashes. These ones are Lilly Lashes Layla. Just gonna pop them back into the case. First things first, always wash your hands before you touch your face, okay? Before you wash your face, before you apply makeup, wash your hands. That is disgusting if you don't. So on a normal everyday basis, I just clean my face with regular face cleanser. I double cleanse. So to take off the first layer of my makeup, I'm going to be using the Alba Hawaiian Detox Cleanser. It's an anti-pollution volcanic clay cleanser. It's really good. It has really good ingredients and I really like it. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $4 on clearance. So there's no really any need to wet my face. I actually just apply it straight on. This is more of like a watery cleanser. I know that sounds really weird, but it's watery and I think that makes it really good to just pop it on a dry face, you know? I'm taking just a little bit more. I look like Miss Doubtfire. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it over my eyes. If you have sensitive eyes, this doesn't burn or anything at all. It's really gentle and it's just great. So this is how I'm looking after washing that off. As you can see, I still have like eyeliner under my eyes, which is not cute. And I still have some foundation residue around the perimeter of my face. We're gonna double cleanse that off. So today I have like so many different cleansers. It honestly kind of depends on how I'm feeling, what I want, what I need in my skin. So sometimes I'll alternate and I'll go in with the Skin Food Egg White Pore Foam cleanser for, you know, tightening my pores in case I need it. And then sometimes I'll go into my simple moisturizing facial wash. This stuff also just helps get rid of any extra makeup on my skin. Or I'll just go in straight with an exfoliant. My sister actually just popped this one in my bathroom. I guess she didn't want it, so it's in my hands now. This is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. This stuff is okay. It's just okay to me. I don't really see like a huge difference. I don't know. My sister also put this in my bathroom. Literally every product that she just doesn't want, she just like puts it in my room or my bathroom and she's just like, you use it. So a lot of these things are from her. So this one is also the Khiels Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. This stuff is actually really, really good. A little bit goes a very long way. So I think I'm gonna be using this one today just because it really gets all my makeup off. Just applying this all over the skin. This stuff like lathers up really well and I'm like getting really into my eyes, that's why I'm not opening them, but I'm like getting it in there so I could take off all the extra makeup. Now it's time for the micellar water portion. So this step, I actually have a few items that I rotate through, so I might as well just share it with you guys. So I have my trusty Bioderma micellar water. I have been using this, but I mean I don't really see a difference with this, honestly. It's the Sephora brand micellar cleansing water. This one is the green tea one for mattifying and anti-blemish. I was using this when I had really bad breakouts, but honestly, I don't really see a difference. I just use this as like a way to clean my face. And then I also have my Witch Hazel, which is also really good for sensitive skin. Also oily skin, red, damaged, blemish, inflamed, irritated skin. It's pretty gentle and it does the job very well. It's probably the cheapest out of all the other liquids that I have. This one's an astringent, it's not necessarily a micellar water. I'm going to be taking a cotton square. These ones are from Daiso, and I'm going to take the Bioderma micellar water, and this one is going to go into the areas where I have my stubborn eyeliner. I'm like holding on to the wall because apparently I can't keep my balance. And then flipping the cotton pad to the other clean side, I'm just going to take the Witch Hazel And I'm honestly just going to rub this all over my skin to just get the extra makeup off, as well as kind of treating my face. This step is probably going to be the most crucial step for me because these are the products that I think helped my skin repair itself, other than Neosporin. Okay, that's a different story. But this actually helped my skin kind of repair itself. And so these ones are the ones that I trust. So take my advice if you want to, but this is how I cleared up most of my acne and my broken and damaged skin. So first I have the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution, and this is for blemished skin. So this is a, I want to say serum, and it comes in a little dropper like this. So I kind of just take quite a bit, and then I kind of put it in the palms of my hands, make sure it's evenly coated, and I pat my skin with this. I want my skin to soak up this product as much as possible. And the most important tip that I could give you is to let each and every layer dry. So after this one, we're actually gonna go in with a toner. I have the Body Shop Chinese Ginseng and Rice Clarifying Milky Toner. It brightens, evens, and revitalizes. So this stuff is actually something that I noticed a difference overnight the first time that I used it. And I know a lot of people like to put toner on a cotton pad and rub it all over their face. I find the most effective way for your toner to work is actually just to pat it in directly to the skin. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally just going to, that's it. That's all that's all that I want, that's all that I need. And same thing, I'm gonna like evenly disperse it across my palms and then pat it in. And it's also important to get your neck as well because we often neglect it. Vitamin E is also a really good ingredient for the skin. This I think helped mend my skin and put it back together, like literally mend my skin back closed. And so this is the Body Shop Vitamin E Aqua Boost Essence Lotion, and it is infused with hyaluronic acid as well. So that alone is really good for hydration, and vitamin E just plumps up the skin. And so this is actually like a liquefied lotion, if you will. That's kind of like what it looks like. Kind of like what I was using, kind of like serum-like products. And again, we're just going to rub this into the palms and then pat it in the skin. You know what? Since we're here and we're already like doing like the get unready with me type of thing, I might as well just show you guys how I take out my contacts, because I've been getting so many questions on my contact videos still, and I think that they're very self-explanatory. So every time you take out your contacts, you change the solution because the solution is dirty. So right here I have an empty contact case, okay. I don't have my hydrogen peroxide solution, which is what this is for, but I'm just gonna be using my regular contact solution. This is the Optifree Replenish contact solution. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take out my contact. My right eye goes into the right eye compartment, okay. And then my left eye goes into the left eye compartment, okay. Here we go. Empty case, solution. Put the new solution inside the contact case up until the line. All right, there we go. And we've reached the line, yes. And then in the morning, if you want to put your contacts back in your eyes, make it a habit to dump out the contact solution so that at night, when you put the contacts back in the solution, it will be fresh solution. Makes sense? Hope it does. So these glasses, these are from Firmoo. I have them linked down below. Probably not linked to these exact pair, just because they have this pair in like so many different styles that, you know everyone's face shape looks different. It's not like a contact where it's just like in your, like glasses are supposed to frame your face, and I feel like everyone has different face shapes. So I'm probably not gonna link these exact ones, but I do have the site linked. down there. So that wraps up my Get Unready with me, how I take off my makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful because I have been getting requests on, you know, how I got my skin back to normal, and these are the products that I have been using and they just worked out for me. So I hope you guys found this a little bit helpful, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts.